Start tonight, though, with a big debate still happening at 10 o'clock as we go on the air. In Fort Worth, all surrounds new rules concerning data centers. And the city is hearing from the public right now in a very big way before the council ultimately votes on whether or not they want to pause approving any more facilities. Amelia McGavro has been in the meeting. She has stepped outside for us this evening. Take us inside. How are things going tonight?
Yeah, Doug, they're still going because more than 100 people signed up to speak tonight. So, of course, that vote will not happen for a while. But all eyes are focused right now on the Fort Worth City Council considering those three major changes to how data centers could be regulated and researched in the city limits. And so that's going to be the big topic of consideration tonight. But already we've seen a lot of rallying for these changes. And we saw that way before this meeting even started with a rally outside City Hall, where they called for stronger regulations of these data centers.
This is a flawed approach. This is an approach where city staff points at council and says this is what they want. Council points back at city staff and says this is what they're recommending. Nobody's going to take ownership of this.
That rally brought together politicians and advocates who say Fort Worth needs to take a closer look at data centers and the massive impact they have. Fort Worth currently has 4 data center developments with 10 buildings across the city and an additional project that was approved earlier this year in southeast Fort Worth. And tonight, the council is looking at 3 big changes. First, a 90-day moratorium, essentially a 3-month pause on approving new data centers while the city studies their potential impacts. Second, creating a data center commission, a task force basically that would look at issues including water use, electricity demand, and impacts on nearby neighborhoods. And third, voting on new rules and requirements for data centers built inside the city.
The people here in Fort Worth are the only ones who can tell you what they're willing to put up with, what they're afraid of, and what they want to see happen.
We can be known for the leader of data center regulation while keeping our citizens safe, our mental health positive, and keeping our physical health from being compromised.
And throughout this evening, I've certainly seen a trend of speakers calling for residents themselves to be part of that task force committee so that they can have proper representation with this research process. So that's certainly a trend. And for context, also, data centers in the city of Fort Worth are not a new thing. They have been around for more than 20 years, and we've also seen certainly a renewed interest with these data centers being put in rural communities. But they have been around for a while, but there's definitely something that we're seeing, a trend all across the state and certainly here across North Texas.
We're safe to say that everybody's becoming hyper aware all of a sudden, it feels like, in this moment. So what about projects, I'm curious, that have already been approved? Council has said, yeah, we're okay with this one, but they haven't been built yet. Would those end up being stopped, or have they discussed that? Where does that stand?
Yeah, those projects that have already been approved will move forward, even if this moratorium passes. But I will say that the council will be able to extend the moratorium beyond the 90 days. They can only do that once. They can extend it for a total of 180 days. So we'll see if the council decides to do that. But yes, the projects that have already been pre-approved, especially a project that we're looking at in southeast Fort Worth, that will move forward. And as it sits right now, I think that the city of Fort Worth is now the biggest city in Texas to go forward and possibly approve a moratorium vote. So we'll see what happens tonight, Doug.
Yeah, 200 speakers signed up, if not more, 3 minutes each if they want it. And this is going to be one heck of a long night. Amelia, thank you so very much for stepping out for us.